I'm sure sports here with Nick Eaden, bouncing back from a defeat against Molynes and now getting 3 points with a hard-fought game, really digging deep to get that equaliser. Tell us, sum up the game for us, Nick Eaden.
I thought set off really well. We dominated the ball. For 40 minutes, I thought we got 2-0 up, missed a chance to make it 3, and then we seemed to be a mad 5 minutes. I said before the game, they've got a goal threat. There's 2 or 3 of their players that been getting goals pretty regular. I said we've got to be aware of them. Popped up with 2 goals to get it back to 2 apiece. So it kind of changed the half-time team talk a little bit. Tried to get us back to getting on the ball. Don't get caught up in the state of the game. I kind of said, look, it's 0-0 again. We're starting the game again, so let's go again. Obviously Molynes have got the tails up a little bit, getting back to 2 apiece. Reggie's popped up with a bit of quality. He's noticed keeper off his line. Lovely goal. Say he's got, Reggie's got that quality in his finishing. I think it took a real team effort then to see Molynes off for the rest of the game.
Question, your cap.